Start off by cutting 2 pieces, 10 inches. We make 18 of these for the large wreaths. We use 3 different kinds of ribbon when making the wreaths. We cut the ribbon to 14 inches in length while wrapping it around those pegs. From peg to peg is 14 inches, so we wrap it around 9 times to get 18 pieces. So now she's just cutting the ones she wrapped around to get them 14-inch length. And then she cuts dovetails into them. Make sure you guys always clean up your station after each step. Now we lay one of each ribbon and we alternate the tops, bending the ribbon in half. So always alternate the top ribbon. So to actually make the wreath, you start with a 26-inch working wreath frame and 21-inch deco mesh. The pieces that you cut earlier, 10 inches by 10 inches. You roll them up. There's a few different ways to do it, but we like to roll them up. And then just like with the ribbon, we alternate the tops. One orange, one green, and stick them on the wreath like that. For a little extra touch on the wreaths, we like to put deco tubing, a couple different styles. Cut them to about 25 inches in length, and then make bows out of them. Put them on top of the ribbon when applying them to the wreath. You fold them up into a kind of like a pencil or a bow. So now's the time when you stick the deco tubing on to give it a little bit of extra flair.